Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'll teach you how to correct the time and date of your Windows 10 laptop. So guys, before we go, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I have a new video. Guys, let's start. Just touch Windows tab on the left side of the screen below. Just click the setting, and in the settings section, select time and language. In date and time setting, off the set time automatically. Change date and time by clicking the change button to change it. You can change the day, month, year, and time. And click the change button. And you can also change the time zone of your Windows 10 laptop. So now we have changed the date and time. If you want to update my videos, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button and bell to be notified when I have a new video. Thanks.